So to remove this Audi A3 door card, so first thing you do to remove this door card is remove this screw here. It's quite a short screw. There is one on the opposite side, just here. And that's the same, very short screw. And there's another screw just under here. And this is a longer screw. Then remove the cover. It just pulls down, and that's the cover. And behind there are two screws. Once all the screws are out, you just lift the door card up. If you rest it like that, and then you pull back on the foam padding here. And pop off this thing first. That's just a retaining clip. And then you can pull away this part here and unhook it from the door latch. Then that is free. Now the next thing you need to do is to remove this here. And unplug the plugs. We've got one plug here. Over here we've got two plugs. Or is it four? I think it's 4 on the driver's side and 3 on the passenger side. That's 3 on the passenger side. And that's now completely away. So this plug here is just a little spring there that you push down and then you pull the plug out. And these here, they're slightly different. You have these things on the end and you have to open them up a little bit. I have to show you. You have to open them up a little bit and pull them off. And that's that done.